Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are looking at bald cypress here. Bald cypress. What do you do with a bald cypress? Well, you gotta know what you're doing if you're going to plant bald cypress. It is commonly thought that a bald cypress should be planted in or near water, and this is actually not true. They do very well in dry ground. If you plant bald cypress, your reason needs to be strong. They actually augment water situations very well. They flow well with wet lakes, ponds, ditches, so forth. So that is one use of them. What you have to be careful of with bald cypress is the fact that they lose every leaf every year. They are completely bare through the entire winter. So what do you use bald cypress for? Well, one of the uses for them is to satisfy your love for what they look like, because they are a beautiful tree, as you can see. These bald cypress are just gorgeous. They get very, very large, and when there's a grouping of them, there's just nothing in the world prettier. They can actually reach heights of 50 to 60 feet tall. Their trunk diameter can be as much as 2 and even 3 and maybe even 4 feet. They are a huge tree at full growth. So, bald cypress, if you like them, as you can see, we've got them. Give us a call, thetreeplanters.com. Reach out to us from there, and we'll help you get anything you want. We sell everything grown in Florida. Everything we sell is planted and guaranteed for a year. Have a great day.